Hello, my dear students of class 8. This is your computer class. I am Lalit Kumar Pathak. I am going to explain about the topic Adobe Photoshop of chapter 4. In previous classes, I have explained about the introduction of Photoshop, components, and features of Adobe Photoshop. Today, I am going to explain about the basic commands of Photoshop. That means how you can start your working in Photoshop from the beginning. As you know, Photoshop is a photo editing software. It is used for editing the photographs and making animation on photos. And it is a raster based editing application. Photoshop has variety of tools and features that is used for editing the photographs. So let us understand the basic commands used in Photoshop. First of all, you have to open a new file. New file interface. The new file interface may differ from versions to versions, but the basic commands are always same in all the applications. So when you start Photoshop, a windows pop up and give you different options, and you can choose from the options create new or open. You have to choose create new or open. That will open an already saved Photoshop file. So create new file, create new option, start a new document. You can also create new document by pressing Ctrl plus N for Windows operating system. And if you are using Adobe Photoshop in Macintosh operating system, then you can apply Command plus N keyboard shortcut for opening a new file. Then after, you have to choose the dimensions. Either you can choose from already set template that is provided by the Photoshop, or you can enter your own dimension manually for the specific size. You can set the dimensions. While defining the dimensions, their height and width of your document, you have to decide the resolutions, color code, mode, and background options. You can also name your file by typing your name here, and you can choose to see the dimension of different measuring scale such as pixel, inches, and printer or points. The default scale is pixels, but it depends on you which is preferred for you. And when you using pixel format, the best resolution is 300 dpi. DPI stands for dot per inches. And then after you can set color mode. The default color mode is RGB, but you can also use CMYK color mode also. RGB stands for red, blue, green, and CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. It depends on you. When if your the document is to be used on the web, you should use RGB. But if you want to take a printout, then you can set CMYK. As you know, CMYK is the color mode for printing also. So for the best printing quality, you can go and set CMYK mode. Okay. Then after you can set the interface. Interface means the tools and options available in menu bar and options bar. It depends on you and which type of tools you require. You can set the options bar and menu bar by using Windows key. You just go on Windows and then click on workspace and select the tools or options that you need. Then after, the next window is document window. It is a large area where your file is opened or images are displayed. You can toggle between the full screen view and normal view by pressing simply F key on your keyboard. You can place your image on your document window by dragging method or import images from workspace. Okay, you just click on file, then click on import, and then after you can import pictures, import images from device. Then after you have to set the layers. While working in Photoshop, layer is one of the most needed tools. You can either open it from Windows layer or directly by pressing F7 function key to open it. You just click on Windows and then after layers, it will displayed in the right side of the screen. And the last option is saving. After editing your files, you have to save your files by pressing file and then save button, and you can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus S for Windows, and if you are using Macintosh, Command plus S for Macintosh for saving your files. If you want to use Save As option is also available, then you can use Ctrl Shift plus S for Windows with the save your file with another name, and for Macintosh Command plus Shift plus S button, or you can simply press file, then after save as, and then after you have to just type the name of your file. You can choose different formats are also there. The most commonly used image format are JPEG and PNG format, but the default format is JPEG. But you can set any of the format like BMP, EAPS, JPG, PNG, TIFF. Lots of formats are there, and then you can save your files. This is the most basic command of Adobe Photoshop. So that's all for the today. In the next class, I will explain more about the Photoshop. So thank you and have a nice day.